Hi loved ones, welcome back to my channel. My name is Raquel and today I am just here to talk about really the coldness, what we do really have in Germany, in Hanover. Right now as I talk, we have minus 12 degrees. Guys, as you can really see just behind me, everything is snowing, like everything is really white. Normally we do have this around December and around Christmas time, but we all don't know what happened really. Guys, as we talk, do not forget to drink a lot of water. Remember, on Raquel's channel we are keeping it real and keeping it I also decided to bring some of my stuff that really take me through around also during this period of time in winter. Guys, first of all, you need to make sure you have the very best shoes ever. If you really try to get what I'm trying to say, keep yourself warm, do not get cold. And guys, guess what? Stop judging. For those people who are normally like living in countries which are really warm, like let me talk about Australia, in Africa. Guys, when you really see people who are coming off holidays and then they're trying really to wear skimpy things, just give those people a break and do not judge. So another thing, guys, when you're in winter, one thing that you really have to know, try to keep something like this around you. Moisturize your lips always. And another thing, what I would also like to show you, what I brought on me, is always try to moisturize your hands and do drink a lot of water. Once you have all these equipments, guys, always try to moisturize your lips, and always try to make sure that you are being moisturized and you're drinking a lot of water. And guys, again, thanks so much for watching on my channel, and guys, please keep watching and do not forget to subscribe and like and share. Well, as you have been seeing, you have seen how winter happens here in Germany. I mean, in Munich is quite something different, but here where I am living in Hanover, yeah, that is a little bit of what we've had. Normally we have very cold winter around Christmas time, December, but we're already in February, which is being a bit unbelievable. But anyway, so I would like to advise you on, guys, on how you can really maintain and have a beautiful skin. Avoid, these are some of my tips that I can really just give you ahead to go ahead and use. Avoid showering too much of hot water. If it's too hot, your skin does not really need it. Okay, and then after, when you shower, moisturize your whole body before it starts peeling, before it starts really getting like frustrated. Another thing, try to drink a lot of water. Ooh, another thing, if you can't drink a lot of water, try to involve tea in your daily routine, like really to keep you warm, so that you don't really get dehydrated. Our skins need to be, they need us to communicate to them. They are communicating to us and we need to communicate back to them, like it's something nice. And another thing, guys, do not forget to use the hand cream. For my brothers out there, always just try to get the hand cream in your car. Just put it somewhere there. If you're done with driving, just grab the cream, moisturize your hands, put on the hand gloves, and you're all good. Like, I'm talking of those people who are in winter countries within Europe. It's really terrible. And also another thing that you can also involve, the Vaseline for the lips, because if you are really being so busy, you might forget to drink tea, or you might forget to drink enough water, and then you'll just be drinking coffee. So at least try to involve this, such that you can also have those nice sexy lips, guys. I mean, do not let your lips dry out. It's not so sexy. It's nothing that anybody wants to really to know. I'm just giving my tips, but if you think dry lips are good, I mean, I don't mind. But guys, try to involve this kind of small tips. And always try to put a scarf when you're outside in your neck. And what else? You're just gonna be seeing your skin will be very, very happy, and it will definitely communicate to you. So guys, do not forget to subscribe if you really find this video very interesting. And again, if you think this is a very educative video, please just go ahead and do not forget to hit the subscription button, like, and please just go ahead and share. Raquel Joy again is your girl. Bye guys.